All right, welcome back to the Ford 2012 Ford Focus. In the last couple of videos, we've done the valve cover, we've done the front end, we've done some buttoning up, spare tire, trim pieces, inner fender liners, stuff like that. Now, if you can look in, I don't know how well it's shown up in the camera, but these headlights have seen better days. So today, we are going to fix that. And we're going to use what I like, Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. Not a sponsor. You can pick the kit up for 17 bucks at Walmart or even on Amazon, I think, for around the same price. So that's what we're going to do today. And if you're curious, we're listening to Symphonies of Sickness by Carcass today while we're doing this. So I'm going to get some painter's tape and I'm going to tape off all around the bottom edge of the headlight because we're going to have to do some sanding and use a chemical to get this oxidation off there. So we don't want that to get on the paint. We don't want it to ruin the paint. So the kit comes with a card which outlines all the instructions front and back. But like I say, it's pretty simple. You put some gloves on and then you're going to get the oxidation remover pack out, and that's what you initially wipe the headlights down with. And they want you to use 3 packages per headlight. And then there's a sanding process. They give you the sandpaper and a little sander. And then step 3 is putting on the protective coating after you've done all that. So we're gonna I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but just the sanding alone actually improves the headlights. But you'll see once the final coat of stuff goes on here, it'll be much, much, much better. There's step 3. I hope that's showing up as good as it is in here. All right, there's one.